So today we are going to be fixing the fan inside our Samsung, and this is a French door 3-door Samsung, and here's a tag right here. But what we're going to be doing is fixing up, or in some cases replacing, a fan that recirculates air and keeps your fridge cool, and it can occasionally get blocked with ice, which was in our case what happened. But this isn't the only thing that can happen. There's also the occasional wearing out of a fan. You can buy them in certain online stores that I'll place in the description. So those are the two tags if you needed anything. But the fan could be a lot of trouble at some cases. And the last thing I need to say before we start is make sure that you unplug the fridge before you do this, or you might get electrocuted. So have safety precautions and enjoy the video on saving money. Right now we are going to remove the glass from the fridge.
You see how, right? Rise and pull.
There's a little hook attachment.
Yeah. And give it to your wife to wash.
Yeah. I'm trying to do it, but it's a bit hard. There we go. Alright. So, we have a fan back there where it says twin cooling. And that's the problem right now. This is a, I wouldn't call it a malfunction. I would call it more of a normal problem that can happen with this refrigerator.
Spilled up the ice.
Yeah, ice builds up inside the fan, and then the fan has trouble moving, which then your fridge isn't as cold anymore. So, we're gonna be here helping you fix your refrigerator if you have this huge buzzing noise going on. Don't buy a new fridge, just fix it. So there's a little flap back there that you have to take off.
The flat screwdriver.
Yeah.
Another side too.
And then there's another one on this side.
Yes.
Right there in the corner.
Yes. Ready? So we have 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Get closer here. You need to push with flat screwdriver in. Very slow, don't break the clips. To the side. Okay, so it's come out those things. You see the locks here? Stay focused, show the people. Those locks, you need to push in.
And you do so with the other sides as well.
And remove. Then we have another clip here, down. Very high, here. This guy. It's a white rectangular plastic. I push in, push harder, a little bit harder on the bottom. Harder, and at the same time pull out, and boom, it's coming.
And then you just pull it out.
whole thing.
Sweet.
And we have Phillips screw holes. One here. Unscrew. I think we need a drill make faster. So it's one here. One here. On the right. And that's it.
Try it.
What about this one more here?
And there's one more.
Where? Okay, this one not supposed to remove.
You don't have to.
We have to put back in.
There's also one down here.
Oh. No, that one no.
Oh, okay.
Okay, under this clip is not a screw. Okay, so this bracket, do not remove this bracket, left there. Okay, so one screw here, one here, one here, one here. That's it. And now it's stuck
Yeah, 'cause
on
of the
ice.
ice. Yeah, so
If you just open the refrigerator, use the heater, the hair heater,
yeah, the hair dryer.
the hair dryer, and you can melt the ice a little bit around.
So if you just opened up your fridge, make sure you use the hair dryer before you take that out, because you might break something. If you don't, we left ours open for a while, so the ice did get dislocated.
Okay, behind is two.
Right.
Look,
Some
Yeah,
ice
ice.
cubes. Okay, let me get on this
Melted.
side.
the ice.
Somewhere. There's ice
melted.
inside.
And we have two plugs over here. Be careful, don't pull the cover. Oh. Go there and show the plugs. Camera straight. And go there, you see?
You got your plug. Oh yeah, you got a plug connecting the.
Okay, we need to remove it.
So make sure you don't use a lot of force when you're trying to take out the cover, because you're gonna break that plug.
And the button is little clip. Just push and pull. You see? Push and pull. Same with this one right here. Push and pull. It's kind of. So here is the thing. We have to push and pull. Same with this one. Push and pull.
Okay.
It came out.
And as you can see, it's really wet.
This is the fan.
And that's a thing that got enlarged with ice.
Sometime maybe need to replace it. This is 12 voltage fan. In our case, the ice is built up around here, but
Now it's
we left
melted.
open for a few hours. Okay. And now it's a drain right here. It's a here. Go there, close it. It's a drain. We're supposed to when it go to the refrigerator is going self-cleaning mode. It's melt the ice around and left the water to drip in the dripping pane. Let's try put a wire like a hanger wires to see how deep is that is not clogged.
Alright. So this is the main board. This is where this used to be, the twin cooling, and that is the self-cleaning mode, which brings all of your stuck up ice right there down into the drain. And what we're gonna currently do is get some clothing hangers and see how deep our pipe is.
Go deep enough. We can try with some alcohol first aid.
Alcohol wipes or alcohol for first aid?
First aid, yeah.
So liquid alcohol for first aid.
Drop a little bit because the alcohol melt. You can put whiskey or moonshine.
Yeah. Yeah, you can put in beer, whiskey, moonshine, anything that tickles your fancy, and just drop it down there, and that should melt the ice. Yeah, it looks pretty deep. If only we had a flashlight to see down there.
Yeah, so I'm gonna drop alcohol there. You hear? So
You can hear that go down.
Okay.
So that means it's unclogged.
Okay. Back in. We're gonna put back in.
So we're just gonna put back everything we just currently took out.
It's build up a little. Look, just few cubes. It's build up around the fan and make a noises.
Yeah, that fan could be really obnoxious because that ice could get stuck there, and that's what could make a lot of noise.
Okay. Sometimes stop and don't recycle the air. Back in.
That's what happened the first time, but this time it was just noise, so we got pretty lucky. So this should be really helpful if
Let's show the people how to put that in, right?
yeah, but this should be really helpful if your refrigerator was having any sort of noises, anything that was super loud, and it was, I don't know, sort of sounds like an engine.
Okay, show how to put back in.
I'm trying to, but your arm's blocking.
So,
Okay.
get close, it's okay. Now, make sure the clip are on the bottom, the blue one, the clip in the bottom, and the white one, the clip on the left. Just push in, push in. You're gonna hear the click.
Now all you do is unscrew it. So hopefully this did help you and you didn't really need to hire some sort of refrigerator maintenance person just to get that
Make
done.
sure it's in a place. But see, the foam and everything, it's in a place.
And then you just
Put the bolts. We have
screw it
two
back.
white bolts,
Two white ones that go down there.
left and right.
Yeah, left and right. And then the center one is a normal silver one. And then there's another one up there. That's underneath a cap.
One more here.
That one down there is underneath a cap. And you need to take that out before you attempt to try to open up this cover.
Get rusted over there. The top.
Yeah, this,
Let me find
Also-
something else. Maybe find.
as you can see, it's a little bit rusty right there. You can see the rust. It's just gonna eventually happen, no matter how careful you are with this fridge.
Maybe he find galvanized stainless steel. Okay, back in business. Put
the cap back.
Nice
And
and
now
tight, clean. You can hire somebody to clean, or
yeah,
you can clean yourself.
which in this case was the best option.
What's up, people? Back in
And now we're gonna put things back in.
and reverse. Okay? See over there? We need to slide in like 15 degrees over there. Slide slow in. Push harder. It's in a place. Pushing down.
Should hear a satisfying click.
Boom. It's click. Go more
You
the
can
camera
also
there and
check-
show you. See the slide. If it's moved up with all the thing, that means it's in a place.
Which
Nice.
is good. But don't try that too hard, because then you're gonna break it.
Nah, it's not.
I'm pretty sure.
It's a Samsung.
Yeah, it's not like we have difficulties with Samsung before.
Okay, the glass. Handle with care, because this broken glass is gonna cost you half of the fridge.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not the fridge that costs a lot, it's the glass that comes inside.
With the paint down. The paint
Which
down.
side is the paint on?
You're gonna feel the paint. We have a little mark over here. It's not like that. Okay. See? With this little mark toward to the wall. It's in place. Make sure. Hey, hey.
Is it in place?
It's not in place.
Ooh.
There's no right here. So, what happened? You need to do like that. Here, Eric.
Where?
You see? Doing like that, put on a slider and this and slow slide in, then that
Push it in.
put in a place.
It's probably
See?
the most difficult part of this.
No, it's easy. Just put there, slide and put
There's
the
a little
bracket.
bit of a slider there, so that should help you.
Oh,
See that? It's gonna help you out. It's on both sides as well.
slide in. Put the holders. Yeah. You see? Like that. With the 45 degrees here in out. And put in a place. You're there.
Now all you have to do is put back this
Put
container.
back whatever containers, blah blah blah, plug in.
And then you should be good.
Plug in about.
Alright,
Where's the.
so I'm gonna go. Yeah,
Oops. Yeah. Alright?
this is really small.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Plug in.
it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna try to plug it in. Wait a second. See if that works. Hopefully it does. Oh, it's up here. Well, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be. Ah, there we go.
Oh.
Yay!
Hey, the lights is working. Good job, boys.
Okay.
Oh, but the lights was not working. I'm sorry, boys. You fix the lights too?
Yes. Okay. Okay. So one more on the top. Okay. Okay. You see, you have to go like together. Have a little holder there, and this one have a little horn. Boom. So you are in a place.
Yeah.
Now, close the doors. You're gonna have fault.
Listen.
Now, push in the corner here and stay. Boom.
And now you're at negative
And now-
88.
No, we're gonna set up whatever you want. That is the actual temperature inside in a cooler, and the temperature in a fridge. So
Adjust it to whatever you need it to be.
yeah,
And
1 second. Freezer. How much you want to be in the freezer? Hold it. It's -2, -3. It's okay. In the fridge, there's the set point. This is the temperature which actually it's inside.
because if
We
you
unplugged for a long time.
26?
Yeah.
I'd say goodbye to all the ice cream.
So it's 37 set point, whatever you want. 35, 34. No, it's too much. So I have to go 38 to be okay. That's it.
Okay. Hopefully we helped you save money. And you don't have to hire someone that helps. You don't have to hire someone to come fix your Samsung.
Okay, bye.
So
Hey.
enjoy this. Oh wait, yeah. This is the last part.
Forgot them. Just go there and push. It's gonna lock itself.
Now I can edit. So hopefully you did enjoy this. So go like, and
Good hand.
hopefully we saved you some money.